Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how this Microsoft PowerApps plans work. If you see your PowerApps Studio, on the left side, a new icon plans is appearing now. Okay, just click that plans and you can see here create a plan, or you can also see in the home. Here you can see let's make a plan. Okay, I'm going to this plans here and I'm clicking this create a plan. Okay, and now it's asking some business problem. Okay, now I have a business problem, like to create something like an attendance management system. Okay, so let's ask this. Before that, let's go to the home and you can see some examples also here. My team needs a solution for tracking projects across a company. Employees needs to log in vacation hours, all these things. Here you can add some sources also, like uh, some images of your previous application and images of any database modeling. All other things we can add so that it will get some idea and it will give us the plan. So now let's create a plan. I'm creating a plan here. So my team needs a solution for attendance management. Okay, so here you can add sources if you have. If you not having, let's leave it. If you want to see some preview features, you can click this and click this. Okay, let's see how it creates the data modeling and how it creates our app. Okay, now it's giving a plan on the left side. See, actually this is everything is giving uh, by a process agent here. I think this agent is generated by Copilot. Okay, so let's see. So here, business problem, my team needs a solution for the attendance management. The purpose of this plan serves as a blueprint for addressing the business problem. Okay, so first thing is so attendance means employees, so employees must be there and manager must be there to oversee the attendance, and person who needs to mark the attendance, then HR admin, person responsible for overall attendance policies and reporting. Like this is looking good, right? So and they here so they have given here the process for employee attendance management, manager attendance oversight, HR administration. Okay, this is fine. So if it is not fine, you can click edit and you can add more. Okay, if it is fine, then click looks good. Okay, so now it is creating a data model for us. You know, right? Data model means like tables and the relation between them. It is already created. See, the first table is like employee, then the attendance. This table contains records of employee attendance, then the leave request something, or attendance policy, attendance report, manager, everything. Okay, if you don't want to fix with this and want to do some changes, click edit. Okay, so let's see if we have anything here. Manager attendance. Okay, they have given something, so let's create show details here. Okay, once if you click that show details, it will give the relation between all the tables. Okay, so you can see attendance policy, manager, employee, attendance report, new request, everything. And if you want to add anything here, you can add here, existing table, new table, create relationship, everything here. And if you notice here on the top, we have collection of these requirement agents. These are created by Copilot agent, Copilot Studio. Okay, see on the right side top. Okay, so now I'm happy with this data model. I'm going back and it is asking to save this into a new solution. Okay, and also it is giving like publisher, select an existing solution. Publisher also you can change, or if you any publishing if anybody is published with your name or so. Okay, we have some publishers here, so you can select whatever you want, or if you are okay with this existing one, that is also fine. Okay, now I'm save and leave. Okay, so it is asking select an existing solution. uh, okay, save, or should we want to leave? Yeah. And now the data model is getting ready. It is ready, and if I can click, looks good. And now based on this data model, uh, given some of the apps which can be done in canvas app, or which can be done in model driven app. This HR admin attendance app is in model driven app. Attendance notification flow, we can use flow here. Attendance policy change flow, attendance support agent is also there here. Okay, click, looks good. Okay, now click save tables. So all these tables will be saved in our solution. Now this data agent is helping us. So this here is known as the agents here, right? Every company is creating some agents using AI. So recently we have a video of coding agent, like in the build Microsoft build conference, where this coding agent can create code or modify code on behalf of our user account. Okay, so see here, your tables have been saved. To create and customize an object, just hover it and click create. So I want to create this employee attendance app. Click create, and it is going to create there. And I also want to create this manager attendance app. Create. Okay, I also want HR admin attendance app. Create. Attendance notification flow. Create. Attendance policy change flow. Create. Attendance support agent I'm not able to create now, because maybe we need to have Copilot agent, but anyways I'm just leaving this. And here we have an option, add technology. Okay, we can add any other apps in this. Okay, so now let's go to this design of these all the things. Here the new flow suggestion. Here it is asking to describe everything, and click it. I'm clicking it. Create a custom flows and start from a template. Everything they are asking us. Okay, no flow solution. Okay, no flow. Okay, no, for flow there is no solution circuit, but these they have created this employee, all these things here. Leave request, attendance policies, attendance report, plan details. See here. Here we can see employees. The table contains records of employee information. User can view and manage employees attendance records, manage overall attendance policies, generate company-wide attendance. Okay, leave request. This table contains the records of leave request. Attendance policies are also there. Everything they have created. This is created by an agent. That's it. Okay, if I want to play this, I can play something like this after publishing. Let's go to this one also. So here also we can see same thing. This is also model driven app. Maybe some error is here. That is fine. Now this we can see employee attendance app is in the canvas app. Okay, employees, you can see some employees here. If I go back, you can see attendance records, attendance record, attendance 2, attendance record, attendance 2, something, remarks, attendance 1, attendance 5, employee name, attendance 3, 4. All these records are generated here. Go here, leave requests. You can see how many requests we got here. If I click new, here leave request is there, something like this. Okay, so let's see this attendance records. If I click here, we have something like this: status, present, absent, late, employee names. You can see here something. Okay, same here also. The HR admin can see how many employees are there, attendance records, attendance and all these things. Attendance, and if you click, you can see this leave request. You can see leave request, employee name, when it is ending, status, pending, all these things approved. Okay, see this DB request and then attendance policies, standard attendance policy, flexible policy, all these are also there. Okay, click it and you can change whatever you want. Attendance reports, click this and you will get some kind of report kind of stuff here. Okay, so like this you can create a nice app from the beginning using this PowerApps plan. Okay, so once this is done, if I go back, or I need to save solution here on the right side top. Hello, so now I hope it is saved. Now I'm going back here and I'm going to solutions. See, I got here attendance management solution here. So again click it, you can see all the objects related to the solution here on the left side. See here there are 18 objects. Plan, we have tables, we have apps, 2 apps are there. Okay, HR, attendance management. So if you want to start with a new something like if you want to build a new app, you can take guidance from this plan design, PowerApps plan design, and also nowadays they included the source control also here to connect with it, and you can also use pipelines to create between pipelines between different environments. Okay, all these solutions for nowadays make our life, developers life easy. And if you see this create plan from a solution is also there. Okay, if you are already having a solution, you can check this one and you can create a plan also for the existing solutions also. Okay, not with the new, with the existing solutions also you can create a new plan from action. Okay, now I click here plans and I can see one plan is available. If you want to do some changes, you can click it and you can see again all the our plan related to this attendance management system. So if you are new to this PowerApps and if you want help while creating a new application, you can take help of this PowerApps planner here, PowerApps plans, PowerApps plan designer, and you can create the solutions. Okay, thank you.